Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and recommendations for the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a focus on tackling one of the most common concerns: dark circles under the eyes. If you've been searching for the perfect solution, look no further because we've got the scoop on the best under-eye cream tailored for black skin. Introducing CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, a game-changer in the realm of skincare. With its advanced formula specifically designed to address dark circles and puffiness, this eye cream is a must-have for anyone looking to revitalize their under-eye area. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Chelsea Posey says, "I could see a small improvement in my under-eye color after the first night. I'm a weekend of using it night and morning, and the color of my dark circles is very much lighter and the puffiness is almost gone." Veronica Smith shares her experience, stating, "CeraVe Eye Repair Cream has truly been a savior for my under-eye concerns. It works wonders on dark circles and puffiness, leaving my delicate eye area feeling nourished and rejuvenated." Now, let's break down what makes this eye cream stand out from the rest. First off, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid to help retain skin's natural moisture, niacinamide to soothe the skin, and 3 essential ceramides to restore and maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. Applying this cream is a breeze. Simply dab a small amount around the eye area and gently smooth it in until fully absorbed. Whether you're using it in the morning or at night, this lightweight formula is fast absorbing and can be seamlessly incorporated into your skincare routine. And it's not just the customers singing its praises. Dermatologists and ophthalmologists have put CeraVe Eye Repair Cream to the test, making it a trusted choice for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So there you have it, folks. If you're on the hunt for the best under-eye cream for dark circles tailored for black skin, look no further than CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes and hello to a brighter, more refreshed complexion. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.